YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know. It's my channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. Before we get into the vid, got a shout out into the AM. You already. You can use my discount Wavy80 or link in the video description below and say, shout out to Into the AM. They got the tees, they got the sweats, they got the shorts. You name it! All the above. Word. Anyway, before we get into this vid, I did get a little pickup from, I'm not even gonna say the name because I don't even wanna mess it up. I've been seeing ads for these socks all over IG. Yeah, and they've been saying they're comfortable. So I'm like, oh, all right, comfort, count me in. That's just like those, it's some bed sheets or something that they say. I think it's from rest.com or something like that. I think I'm gonna end up, you know. Cool, so that might be the school one. All right, cool, we'll get into that in a second. All right, this is why I wanted to cop. Now, these are just some basic color socks, but like I said, I heard they are very comfortable. I got, what's this, a navy blue? Yeah, navy blue right here. But these are the ones that I wanted. These are the ones I'm gonna highlight, and I am thankful that I did get a white pair. I wanted these for the cement threes. Yeah. And I wanted these for the, either the black cement threes or the bread fours. The black cement threes or the bread fours. Yeah. I could also, if I wanted to break out the bread 11s. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. So that's that right there. And I'm glad I did get a white pair. These looking like slop socks. Let me find out. DC. Oh, they did hit me up with the slouch. Okay. Hit me up with, okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. I ain't had a pair of slouch in a minute. That's what's up. Yeah, salute. Cry. You know what I'm saying? If that's what it is. But yeah. Hell yeah. I think I'm more hype about these than this because, yo, DC, make a booty call. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyway. So, shout out to my guy Ness. It's my first time ever seeing these, ever. I don't even think, well, other than probably like at a sneaker con or something like that. But yeah, let's see. I didn't even get to do B-roll until now. I like the box. Wish these joints would have came with the hoop, but yeah, I definitely like the box. The box is cool. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is my, what? Okay, so I got like 2 out of the 3. I got 2 out of 3 that are released in the KD4s. Yeah, let's check them out. Okay, go. This little box right there. Like I said, I wish they had I wish they had the hoop though. That would have been cool. KD4 Nerf. I definitely didn't have the original. The price and the colors is really what made me cop these. Like I said, I missed out back in the day, but I'm not like really like, oh, okay, these are like the toughest of the bunch. I still wish I had the all-star joints, but you know, I'm still cool with my Weatherman. As far as these go, I got a scheme for these. And with the on foot, I'm only doing like 2 joints because I'm not rocking these with pants unless they be sweats when I'm flying to wear, you know. But no, I definitely got a scheme for these. I definitely do. I'm not gonna say it now, but you'll see what I'm talking about on my next, on this upcoming DR trip. But I'm not rocking these, but it's something else that I'm gonna do with the Kobe. 8s, yeah, word. But anyway, yeah, man, so here you go right here. These joints had sold out like that. Like, I was like, oh, okay. I didn't even know they dropped. I thought they was dropping on like a Saturday or whatever. I did hit on Foot Locker, but I didn't, you know, I guess hit the button in time. I hit the button the next day. I didn't even know, you know what I'm saying? Like, but I would have got them from Foot Locker, but I didn't know. But anyway, man, hit them joints, go right here. Let's start it off with the sole. Bam, you got your sole right here. Sole's crimson, see-through KD logo right there. See some lime green color blocking. Says work hard. Up at the top, bam, you got that heart, Barbara, and then Tony Man. You see hits of, I'm gonna say, I'll just say blue. It's some sort of blue. It's some sort of variant of blue. I don't know. They got a weird name on the box. But anyway, we're gonna take it to the medial side. Medial side, you see the sole right there. You see 2 hits of the crimson sole. You got that blue right there. You got the lime green right here. Up here, it's like, seems like carbon fiberish right there. You got a few colorways going on up in there. Take them all up a bit. That section is black, and you see those speckles going through. Up here is gray. You got your swoosh right there in crimson. Part of the strap right here. And then that, let's just say blue. You know what I'm saying? It's colorful. You know what I'm saying? I'm, what's it called? I'm colorblind. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah. It's bluish. Yeah. Some sort of blue, like a midnight midnight.
All right, relax, man. I already heard. Go sit down.
Anyway, we're gonna take it to the lateral side. Side that gets all the what? Lateral side. So color-wise, same as the medial side. You see that crimson like heavy right there. Got your neon right there. Probably carbon fiber. Real colorful right there. This part of the midsole right here is like Concord. Then you got your speckles going through. Up here you got your netting on the upper. Midnight blue right here. You got your strap right here. You got gray. You got some black speckles. Midnight blue. And then the swoosh is crimson.
We're gonna open up that adaptive fit strap.
Oh, and then right here, I don't know what this material is, but it's still that midnight blue, but it's some other type of material right here. Help me out if you don't mind. We're gonna take it to the toe box. You see the sole right here, damn midnight blue right there. Neon swoosh, you got your mesh area right here, leading all the way up. You got your like midnight blue laces. The top of the tongue is gray, then you got KD 35, the midnight blue behind it, KD in crimson, 35 in neon, going all the way around. I guess you call it piping, pause if you have to. It's neon, just like right here, and then you got some other colors right there. Oh yeah, the other part of the tongue says Nerf. Take to the back of these girls, no pause necessary, bam. See hits of that crimson sole right there, big Chucky engraved, that black, oh, Concord. Would it? Yeah, Concord, like grape jelly, okay, there we go. It's black, got your speckles, Concord, gray. There we go. Damn, I just figured, okay, I was saying like some midnight blue, but yeah. Take to the upper, it's gray, KD logo in neon, back of the heel up here. Will he do it? Will he do it? Oh, maybe. Nah, it's a black insole, got like Nerf in yellow, orange splat behind it, and the other sneak, you got the crimson swoosh. If I missed anything, my bad. And let me know, y'all pick these joints up. Were they a little too childish for you? Yes, off looks, I'm like, yeah, but like I said, I got a whole nother scheme with it. I'm gonna be in a whole nother country with it. Heads turn, you know, nah. But nah, man, yeah, for the price, I was like, hey, forget it, definitely with it. Yeah, I can't wait to try these joints on. I think my only other pair was the Weatherman's, but yeah. Just gonna do a quick little on foot, nothing crazy, because like I said, I'm not rocking these. I do like, yeah, I'm not rocking these with jeans, no sir. But yeah, I got a vision like Coleco, you know what I'm saying? Word up. But anyway, about to get up out of here. Give me 1 second. Gotta shout out the Wave Mob, everybody that's been liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter B. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy, you already know this is my channel, Mr. What Your Beach, like I always like to say, see you when I see you.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max, Biggest Belly. Stand up. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys. Ow.
100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You exquisite grease, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. On top of the world, that's what I'm feeling like. On top of your girl, I gotta scream and die. One time for them faces, bees who keep the loudest of the loudest, and it stink like pee. Ooh, about to black out on some Zans. Wake up and do it again. If you afraid to get down, please keep your feet in the sand. Homie P Dice with the man. Need must I say it again? Homie P Dice with the man. They look outside and now scram. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You exquisite grease, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. That nigga dice rolling. Look how my She fry my hair like Malcolm X. This shit looks white, don't it? Don't get your wife stolen. That pussy like Poland. These niggas change soon as they see checks. That shit is quite bogus. Now me, oh, I'm nothing like them. I pop out that coupe and like them. Asking where
Everything
I'm
y'all niggas do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything y'all niggas go across the street that way, I'm going up. Holla at your boy, I do other things.